Meg's Entertainment!
Hi guys, today we're going to be opening up some of this stuff. So here we have a party pop teenies, and we have a big surprise lollipop, and we have some Kinder chocolate eggs, and at the end you'll see some really cool stuff what we're going to have to do. Yeah. So here we go, we're going to start with the chocolate eggs. So guys, just remember, these are easy, you just have to rip them open.
They got chocolate and vanilla.
Yeah, and also guys, if you can, or if you just notice that this is melted, so, and it's very squishy. That's one good pasta. So guys, let's see what's inside of these.
I can't even open it. There we go. So
ooh, guys, look, we have an LOL heart.
I got an LOL heart too.
Yeah. So let's see what's in here. So we can get 5 different colours. So we got the purple. There's two. There's a purple and pink on here, which is the middle one we got. Number 3 of this. So you see that, guys? That's it. So that's the purple one, which is this. Now this chocolate is actually good. Next we're going to open up this. So guys, here it is. It seems like we pull the top. So let's follow the instructions. So number 1, place something on the top. Let's see what we have to do. I take this off. Now we just know. Now what do we have to do? Well guys, I didn't pop it. Guys, I didn't pop it. How did that not pop? Okay, guys, this is some really good chocolate. What do we have to do? Oh, let's see. So guys, look, this is where we started. Let's start to rip it off. Pull this up, but we can't right now. Just rip this off. So guys, this seems like it's really hard to open. Guys, this thing is absolutely solid on. So like stuck it on.
Guys, they're gonna open this from Harvey opened that. So I'm gonna try and open it for the hard.
Man, guys, I did it! She's popped out! Yay, 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 yay.
How do we open
now,
it?
do we open it up?
I need some scissors.
What happens? So guys, it seems like we popped it open.
So I opened this, guys. So we opened the wrapper off it. We don't even want the wrapper. here.
Oh my god.
Right, let's go and open these, you guys. That was quite some scissors. Oh, there we go. I found a way to open it.
Oh my god.
Take this stuff off.
God, look at it. It's so funny. Guys, there's a bag. Look.
Uh-oh, there's slime in here.
Oh no.
No. Daddy, we need a plate to there's slime in here. We need a plate, Daddy. Oh no, I can't.
Guys, no, so we got a fluffy unicorn bag, which has a zip. Weep, bop, weep, bop. Okay, let's go here. Bop, 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 bop. Oh my gosh, guys! I got the thing. I got a wristband.
Ooh, that looks pretty. I'm gonna look
What's in here?
Wear it. Ah.
Oh my gosh! God, look at this. This looks weird.
Well, can I have it?
Wait. Guys.
Oh, you guys, the slime.
Oh,
Look at this gooey slime.
gooey slime. Oh, gooey slime on the floor.
There's a heart. There's a heart on there. Let me have the gooey slime. Oh my god.
It's really wobbly.
Oh my god. So this is the gooey slime, you guys. It's super duper good. Oh my god, it's slimy.
Oh, guys, look at this.
Gonna get
It's
the
like a little book. Guys, there's a maze.
oh, there's some
And a pen for this. Really. Guys, here's the slime. Look at that slime. Rolls right. Oh! Guys, this is really cool
Oh,
slime.
so we got some straws. And oh, a heart. Look at this.
Oh no, guys. It's falling apart. No. No, guys, look at this. It's so wobbly. Look at this. Wobble, 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 wobble. It's like a dancing. It's dancing. Woo, 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 woo. Look at that, it dances. Wee.
This could be the pocket.
Whoopah.
What?
This is open. This is opened. And guys, I think that's all of it. What we have. That's all what we have. This looks like a plunger, guys. Look, red plunger. Does that absolutely look like a plunger?
I do
But it does. But it doesn't squish it because it's a part of the lollipop. There's nothing else, guys. So, guys, I guess that's the end of our video. I think it's not the end yet.
Yeah, because we still got one more thing.
Well,
This
guys,
time we're going to do a game.
guys, I think it's bye time, okay, guys? So guys, I think that's it for today. We have nothing else. So bye, guys.
Bye.
Make sure that you make sure that you subscribe, leave a notification for us to know if you want to see more. And guys, make sure that you like and subscribe, and you want to actually subscribe to this video because we have 3 videos which is on YouTube right now. So bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.